Here is how to add links to your Instagram bio. So let's get started. First, open Instagram if you haven't already. And once you're here, click on the profile page, which is at the bottom right. After that, click on Edit Profile, that's here. And then click on Links. So here, they have two types of links. One, you can enter the name and the URL. And the second option is adding a link to WhatsApp. So you can see I've added a link to my YouTube channel already. And if I click on this, there is a URL and a title. So the same way, if I want to add more links, I'll just click on Add Link. Here I can enter the URL and then put a title. And then click on the tick to save it. So now I'll go back and let's see the change. And here you can see they've given the YouTube link and they've written and one more. And when you click on it, you can see both of the links below. So there's one more thing you can do, and that's reordering the links. To do this, click on Edit Profile, Links, and the three dots which are on the top right. Then click on Reorder Links. And from here, we can just drag these links to reorder them. So if you just long click on them, you can now reorder it. And then click on the tick. And if you go back, you can see the change. Now they first put the link to the website, and the link to YouTube only shows up when you click on this. So this is how it works. And if you want to know how to read messages without the other person knowing, check out this video. Goodbye.